healing, yoga, and everything gives us peace. Now, this is what people have been telling from ages. But we only do yoga, or we only believe in healing only something like this panic situations or pandemic appears. But that's not the case. How important is it that you should continuously do yoga? And there is a difference between yoga and spirituality. Now, to know more about this and to talk more about this, I have a wonderful person as my guest today. Every day I'm bringing wonderful people to my show, Be the Change. In today's show, I'm having Rajeshwari Garu, who runs Amrita Varshini, a yoga studio at Srinagar Colony. Rajeshwari Garu is a yoga trainer and a yoga therapist. Now we'll talk to her and we'll also get her live now and also discuss to her on many things like chanting, how to increase our positivity and how to be happy, and also how to come out of depressions, because she's also a psychologist, she's also a consultant psychologist. So we'll talk to her on different topics related to yoga and mental wellness also, because this is a month of mental wellness. So we are going to talk to her today and I'm going to get her live. Ma'am, can you wave in so that I can take you live? Rajeshwari ma'am. Yeah. So today is going to be a wonderful show, because thanks for joining. Many people are joining the show. Thanks for joining the show. It's going to be on yoga. It's going to be on chanting. I have a wonderful guest, Rajeshwari Garu, who will be joining me, and she runs Amrita Varshini at Srinagar Colony, and she's a yoga trainer and a therapist. So she has healed many people with hypertension, diabetes, thyroid, and many other chronic diseases. Now, this is going to be a wonderful show, because you will know how to deal with such kind of chronic ailments when you do such kind of therapies. Now, what is it? What are the therapies you should take? And also, not only that, she's also teaching many people yoga. She's also training many people yoga. So I'll be joined by Rajeshwari Garu. Rajeshwari Garu, please say hi in the message so I can take you live, because unless you say that, I can't take you live, ma'am. So yeah, I'm waiting for you to connect. So we'll be connecting her in a while, and the show is going to be wonderful. So please hold on till I connect with her. This show is going to be more on how we should practice yoga and how we should practice chanting.
I can see you. I can see you.
Yeah, I'm connecting, ma'am. Yeah, Rajeshwari Garu is connected. Yes, ma'am. You'll be connected. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'll connect the call, ma'am. Don't worry. Just
call, ma'am. Just call, ma'am.
so can you see? Also, is the audio fine for you?
Yes, I can hear you, Jyoti. Can you hear
Yeah.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you, ma'am.
I'm
Can you
not a
see me,
technical
ma'am?
person, so yes,
It's
I
okay. It's
can
okay,
see you.
ma'am. None of us are.
Yeah,
None of us are.
yeah.
None of
Thank
us
you.
are.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I was talking about, how yoga and, how you have become a yoga trainer and a yoga therapist. Ma'am, first of all, what is the difference between a yoga trainer and a yoga therapist, ma'am?
Okay. Namaste, Jyoti, and rest of the people whoever have joined us for the talk today. Yoga trainer means I started as a trainer for healthy people. Okay.
Ma'am, mic,
So
ma'am.
that's the difference.
Mic little bit closer. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yoga trainer
Yeah.
means basically I teach mostly people who are healthy and not too many complications with regard to the health. Okay. And
Okay,
when it
ma'am.
comes to the yoga vaidya or the
Uh-huh.
therapist part, I
Mm-hmm.
generally work with people who have multiple complications. like
Okay,
if they are
ma'am.
diabetic, they have blood pressure, they have thyroid, they have spondylitis or spondylosis combined with knee pain or low back pain. So when there are multiple complications, we cannot put them into one class. So these people need special attention and a separate class for them. So again, sometimes the health is also taken into the consideration. So a 60-year old person has to be given a different yoga practice. A young person with some of these can be given a different practice. So that is the difference between trainer and the therapist. So as a trainer, I teach a general yoga class where I can take all kinds of people who are healthy enough. Okay.
Super, ma'am.
Can you hear me, Jyoti, or is there any
Yeah,
disturbance
ma'am,
that is
ma'am,
coming up?
ma'am, perfect, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay.
You
Thank
can
you.
hear me, no,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
So that's
So,
a difference, Jyoti.
yeah, that's the difference. You told me the difference, ma'am. Ma'am, we are talking about, this, we are in a situation of pandemic panic times, ma'am. So what happens is, ma'am, we are always stressed. We don't know what's going to happen today, and constantly we are getting negative thoughts, ma'am. How, ma'am, how to, come over this negative thoughts. And also, ma'am, I want to ask your personal thing, ma'am, like, what did you to keep yourself positive during this pandemic panic times, ma'am?
Okay. That's in a way very like what do you say, a deep subject, and also, but I need to address it. Mm, so challenging things keep coming in our lives, Jyoti. So we
Yeah.
always need to be prepared for it. Okay, so if it is okay, I will move little deeper into the subject for this question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please take into it.
So according to the Yoga Shastra or some texts, they say that human suffering can be divided into three: Adhyatmika, Adi Bhautika, and Adi Devika. So
Okay.
problems always keep coming in the life of people. Adidevika is something that is generated within, like depression or whatever. Adi Bhautika is what we are going through right now, the pandemic. Diseases caused by the external forces, you have no control over it. So, Jyoti, am I supposed to speak in Telugu or Hindi? I don't know.
Yeah,
Like,
whichever you're comfortable, ma'am. Whichever you're
okay,
comfortable. But if you talk in English, it'll reach more people. So in between, we'll talk in Telugu lo మాట్లాడదాం, ma'am. మధ్య మధ్యలో
okay,
కొన్ని subjects లో we'll talk in English,
sure.
ma'am. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, ma'am.
అయితే the next category is Adi Bhautika, where this pandemic falls. So diseases caused by viruses, bacteria, or whatever what we are going right now. And the
Yeah.
third category is Adi Devika. The mishaps and accidents also come under the second category, Adi Bhautika. The last one, Adi Devika,
Okay.
is like cyclone, the tsunamis or the earthquake that come up. So always, constantly, people do keep going through problems. So it is always necessary for all of us to stay with some kind of practice to keep ourselves prepared to take one of these pain or suffering that might come into our life. Could be Adidevika,
Okay, ma'am.
Adidevika, Adibhautika, or so ఇవాళకి ఇవాళ ఇప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే ఓకే, we can calm down the mind as we
Okay.
talk today.
Okay.
ఇంకా డీప్ గా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్, బట్ it is
Okay.
better always for an individual to stay with some practice in their life, to have an anchor in their life, like they do some parayanam every day, or they do some walking, some exercise, some yoga, where there's a kind of stability in them. They are more
Okay.
grounded. They are not
Okay.
panicking suddenly when the problem comes. Sudden ga kashtam vachinappudu shake అయిపోరు. So they
Yeah,
are
ma'am. Yeah,
firmly
ma'am.
rooted. Their foundation is enough rooted, and they don't get shaken away. When it comes to me,
Okay.
as you have given in my introduction, I have been doing yoga, and I think that is keeping me busy, and that is what is making me feel good and about myself or positive about the time. But still, Jyoti, to be frank with you, Nijanga, if I come face to face with the pandemic, ekkado jarugutundante, I'm like, okay, somewhere it is there, it has not yet come to me. So I'm strong enough. So when it really, I see it from close quarters, all my practice will come out. Na practice ఎంతవరకు strong గా ఉన్నదో అప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది. Whether I have been doing my practice sincerely or not, at that time only I can test myself. So it is all about doing అభ్యాస, కీప్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్. ఏ కష్టంలో ఎప్పుడు ఎలా మనం నిలబడాల్సి వస్తుందో, ఎలాగా మన స్ట్రెంగ్త్ చూపించాల్సి వస్తుందో అది టైం వచ్చినప్పుడే తెలుస్తుంది. అండ్ మనం ఇంతసేపు యోగా చేసాం, అంతసేపు ప్రాణాయామ చేసాం, వి డూ మెడిటేషన్ ఫర్ 1 hour అని అంటాం, కానీ కష్టం వచ్చినప్పుడు ఓన్లీ దెన్ వి నో హౌ ఫార్ అవర్ ప్రాక్టీసెస్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ హెల్పింగ్
Practices.
us.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
So,
That's true.
yeah.
That's true, ma'am. What you're saying is completely, I
Yeah.
agree with you. There's a question. Please explain your journey. Shobha from Shobha. Just asking. The next question is that only, ma'am. How have you come to yoga, ma'am? How is this transformation? And tell me something about your journey, ma'am.
One thing, I'm not a born yogi. I'm like any one of you, whoever is listening to me right now or watching me. Till the age of 36, I never did much of any exercise or anything. I would casually watch a video, or okay, that time this much of YouTube and all stuff was not there. So whatever I knew, I used to do
Okay,
by
ma'am.
myself. The reason why I came into yoga is that at the age of 36, my mom passed away because of obesity. And with the obesity, she had multiple complications. And when
Okay.
she passed away, I realized that I was almost all moving in the same direction, because I was all like almost 90 kgs by then, and I had multiple health issues. So there was a, like, what do you say? There was like a kind of a moment of enlightenment, you say, or you say a realization happened that I'm going to go there
Alarming
if I'm not going
situation.
to take alarming situation. So
Yeah.
oka chinna mottika antar kada. So it like nature gave me a small tap on my head, and then I decided if I'm not going to bring some change in my life now, I'm going to suffer. Because I have
Yeah.
suffered a lot. I used to take my mom to different doctors, and how they used to feel helpless in treating her, because anta చేయి దాటిపోయింది. All the conditions had crossed the parameters beyond treatment. So one
Okay.
thing why I chose yoga was that with 90 kgs, with so many health issues, knee pain, that this, obviously I did try once. When I went, they said, the trainer said, do 30 jumping jacks, I'll be just back right now. I wasn't able to jump. Already had right knee arthritis. I had vertigo by then. I thought this is not for me.
Oh,
I
okay.
can't
Yeah.
risk
Okay.
furthermore. So then I chose yoga, where I'm like doing it slowly, no jumping, nothing needed. And slowly I started losing weight. And of course, you kind of take rest, what do you say? Precautions with your food also.
Correct.
So
Correct, ma'am. Correct, ma'am.
thus I came into yoga. And when I
Uh-huh.
healed myself, I thought, I think there are many women who need similar stuff. Why not I reach to more and more people who are in similar situation, who can't opt for a gym or something. So ఇప్పుడు నేను I teach kada, there are like women who have undergone 15, 16 operations. So they really have to be taken care of when we are teaching them something. We have to check with them కాలు ఏ యాంగిల్ వరకు ఎత్తగలరు. Is it okay if you can lift your hip up? Is it okay if you can stand and do some postures, or do you want to lie down? ఉంటాయమ్మా. So in a way, I
Okay. Okay,
felt
ma'am.
that my own journey is helping out me to reach to such women.
And you connect with them because you have already gone through it. Absolutely, ma'am. I
Yes,
agree with
yes,
you. So,
yes.
so Rajeshwari garu, coming to you're also doing chanting sessions చేస్తున్నారు కదా ma'am. ఈ chanting sessions లోకి ఎలా వచ్చి how did you come to chanting sessions, ma'am? And how
So,
it has helped you, and that's the main thing, and how it is helping others, ma'am. So, give a light on it, ma'am.
yeah. So, the style I teach is called the Krishnamacharya tradition. And
Yeah.
as a part of that Krishnama, and my guru is Saraswati, Srimati Saraswati Vasudevan. So when I learned yoga from her, as a part of yoga, we used to include chanting in that. So, నేను అంతకుముందు I got trained in some other tradition where there was no chanting and all. We used to chant some prayer and that's all. But when I
Okay, ma'am.
started
Okay.
getting trained, this Acharya and Vaidya, whatever I did with my this guru. So chanting used to be a
Okay, ma'am.
part of that. Day one, we start chanting. First, we chant the Yoga Sutras and then we move into asana practice or whatever. So
Okay,
I
ma'am.
liked it very much. I liked it very much. And since it is a part of the course, I was doing it, I was enjoying it. I slowly brought
Uh-huh.
it into my classes. And then one of my friends has done that course now from Chennai. So she is coming and teaching in our center here, Srinagar Colony. So what does
Okay,
chanting
ma'am.
do, Jyoti, is chanting calms down the mind a lot. So mind is a very
Okay, ma'am.
complicated, whatever you call it, complicated part of our system. 1 second you leave it
Yeah.
and it will have 100 thoughts. It can never stay calm.
Correct, ma'am.
So chanting
Correct.
is one way that you engage your mind, and also it helps you to extend your exhalation. So I have been hearing you say this, and I have seen one or two of your interviews where you have been constantly asking about the anxiety, the panic situations, and depression.
Correct, ma'am.
So,
Correct.
for all of this, first of all, we need to breathe properly. So, if we need to come out of these, we need to breathe properly. And in the breathing also, we need to know how to exhale properly, completely, and fully. And chanting is one way that helps you to empty fully, and then you are able to inhale better. So sometimes how we do is
Okay.
the whole line has to be done on one exhalation.
Oh, okay,
So,
okay, okay.
the whole one exhalation, the chant has to be done. You cannot breathe in between. So
Wow,
that's how
okay.
it helps. Chanting helps in calming your mind. It helps you to kind of stay connected with your practice. So generally, if I say Tadasana, inhale, raise your arms up. As we exhale, lower your arms. Once or twice you might be attentive, then you might kind of lose your attention. You might be thinking about something
Attention.
that you have to do after the class, or something that happened yesterday. So if to engage the mind, if I give you chanting along with the practice, if you are chanting, the benefits are more.
More.
So
Ma'am,
that's the
when you're
benefit.
saying about this, yeah, yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, you're saying about chanting and everything, ma'am, and the mind diversion also. This has happened to me also, ma'am, and sometimes even when I'm doing meditation, I also practice meditation. I've been doing off late very much. Uh, why is that when you are sitting and meditating, you'll always get negative thoughts, ma'am, constantly? I don't know why. How much ever I stop it, I still get negative thoughts, ma'am. I can't. Earlier, it was very difficult for me even to sit for a minute. Now, at least, I'm able to sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Somehow, getting through the negative thoughts. Why is that? Not only me, ma'am. I've checked with everybody across any field. All of them say this, ma'am, to me,
Yeah.
that whenever they meditate, the first thing comes. Let's not think negative, and the negative thoughts only will come. Why is that?
So first, before I go into the negative thoughts, let me talk about meditation, Jyoti. So um, I will go with very basic understanding of the meditation.
Okay,
That's
ma'am.
what
Okay,
I
ma'am.
learned from my
Okay.
teacher. I would like to pass on the same for right now, because I have been into yoga for the last 10 years, but I wouldn't say that I'm a great meditator, because meditation
Okay,
has to be
ma'am.
cultivated. Suddenly, if we
Okay,
sit
ma'am.
and close our eyes and we try to meditate, it will not happen. because we need to do
Yeah,
lot
ma'am.
of asana practice for the body, because like you said, most of people from your field and other fields, the nature of job is they sit and work mostly, okay? And
Yeah, ma'am.
then a lot of tension in the mind. You have targets, you have stuff to catch up. So the mind is not settled, the body is not settled. Alanti time lo, when you sit and close your eyes and try to meditate, obviously you can't meditate, kada?
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
first step, what tell my students is that when you sit, initially when you sit for meditation, just notice the thoughts, be an observer. Be an observer, don't try to control anything, because observation is more liberating. Just like you go to the cinema hall, you watch something on the screen, you sit like a audience and watch what are these thoughts coming. So initially there'll be like 10 thoughts, 20 thoughts, different thoughts,
Okay, ma'am.
totally unrelated to each other. So
No, very
initially
true.
that's how we meditate, Jyoti. That's how we
No.
meditate. Like meditation ante, like that's how we start the meditation. So if we notice that we are a person who is getting a thought about, okay, as you are talking to me, you must be thinking about the next question that you have to ask, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I will be thinking, yeah, whether I am. So always the conversation, the inner chatter is happening. So when you sit for meditation,
Correct,
inner
ma'am.
chatter is
Correct.
happening. You notice what are the thoughts that are coming up. Look at them. Are they 10 or 20 random thoughts, or are they all related to one topic? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So if
Okay.
there are 10 different scattered thoughts, that means your mind is really going like um, restless, or like what you said,
Oh,
negativity or whatever. So for
okay, ma'am.
such people,
Okay.
what we do, if people are very, very rajasic and they are very restless, we give them asana practice first. And
Okay, ma'am.
then,
Okay.
so people who are very lethargic or who are very tamasic, we start their practice with the pranayama. Okay. Whether
Okay,
you
ma'am.
do asana,
Okay.
whether you do pranayama, some preparation has to be done, and only then we sit for meditation. So the step one is you
Okay, ma'am.
observe the kind of thoughts that you get. Actually, I ask my students to jot down that kind of, every time you have to open your eyes and jot down also, actually initially. Or maybe you can mentally register and write down later.
Oh,
So
wow. Okay. Okay.
10 or 20 different scattered thoughts is one way that you notice yourself. Then gradually, as you sit and observe yourself, you see that that scatteredness has come down. Now it is
Okay, ma'am.
narrowing down. Now you have only 10 or 8 thoughts, and these 8 thoughts are about only one thing. Okay. So then we generally, this is like an assignment that I give, because I'm into counseling also. Then
Yes, ma'am.
then I tell them, notice which is the thought that is repetitively bothering you. For
Oh, okay.
example,
Okay.
somebody must be thinking, I'm not good, I'm not good, I'm not good, I'm not good, I'm not worthy. So if this is the negative thought that is consciously bothering them, then I
Yeah.
sit with them and then ask them to jot down what do they think they are not good at. When
Okay,
was the
ma'am.
first time they started believing that they are not good at something?
Yes, ma'am.
So, so somewhere, I don't know, but I'm hypothetically saying some parent, mother or father would have said, నీకు ఇది కూడా రాదురా, నువ్వు ఈ మాత్రం చదవలేవా, వేరే పిల్లలు అంత బాగా చదువుతున్నారు, you can't even score 80 in your whatever subject. So from there, they kind of label themselves, I'm not good. So అది
Oh,
కాన్స్టాంట్లీ
okay.
యూ సో నెగటివ్ థాట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి జర్మినేట్ అవుతుందో చూసావు కదా జ్యోతి. సో ఇట్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్
Okay.
స్టార్టెడ్ ఇన్ యూ వెన్ యూ వర్ వెరీ యంగ్. So
Young.
when
Yo.
you
Okay.
when you are very young, some incident or some experience in your life would have stored this in you. Now you're constantly
Okay,
thinking,
ma'am.
I'm not good, I'm not. That's a negative thought. That's an example that we can take. So when you are meditating, you have to just look at yourself, go deeper. నేనేం చెప్తానంటే, actually this is an example that I give to my students. Hopefully people who are listening to us right now also connect to this. It is like meditation is like you withdraw from the outside world and you go within yourself. So why do we listen
Oh,
to
okay,
music? Why do
okay.
we go for shopping? Why do we call somebody and talk? Is because there is something that is coming up in our head
Yes,
and we
ma'am.
want to
Yes, ma'am.
avoid that.
Yeah.
So I would say no, don't run away. Go into it. So close your eyes, go into your cellar. Go into your cellar and see what is that you have dumped there. The
Okay,
shadow
okay,
part of us, the shadow part of not so good
okay.
things that we are not ready to look at. So in meditation, dig each of them. So initially, if we dig everything, we will not be able to handle it also.
Okay,
చిన్నప్పుడువి
ma'am.
ఉంటాయి కదా trauma experiences, any
అవును
abuses that
ఉంటాయి
we
మ్యామ్
have gone
ఉంటాయి మ్యామ్
through. Like I
అబ్యూసెస్
said, right?
బాడీ షామింగ్ దగ్గర నుంచి ప్రతిదీ ఉంటుంది మ్యామ్ యా
Correct, correct. సో ఇందాక చెప్పాను ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సో పేరెంట్స్ ఏమో మేము క్యాజువల్ గా అన్నాం అనుకుంటారు, కానీ హౌ ద కిడ్ స్టోర్స్ ఇట్ విత్ ఇన్ దెమ్సెల్స్. సో అక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళి మనం వీ విల్ స్లోలీ ప్రిపేర్ ద మైండ్. సో వై వీఆర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు సిట్, బికాస్ ఈ లేబుల్స్ అన్ని వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. యూ డోంట్ నో హౌ
అవును
టు
మ్యామ్
డ్రెస్.
అవును
నీకు
ఎస్
జుట్టు
ఎస్
దూకోవటం కూడా రాదా, నీకు ఇయర్ రింగ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడం రాదా. సమ్ టైమ్స్ హౌస్ వైఫ్స్ ఆర్ టాంటెడ్ లైక్ యూ డోంట్ ఈవెన్ నో హౌ టు మేక్ ఇడ్లీ. So they
యా యా
constantly they
మ్యామ్
think
యా
so they like వాళ్ళ దృష్టిలో వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళని తక్కువగా చూడటం మొదలు పెడతారు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గుడ్, ఐఎమ్
ఓకే
నాట్ గుడ్. సో నెగిటివ్
ఓకే
థాట్స్ ఇలా. సో వన్ థింగ్ is, first of all, we should start loving ourselves. Short, tall, fat, thin, dark or fair, మనం ఎలా ఉన్నా we should love ourselves. So for example,
అసలు
if you
కరెక్ట్
ask me, I can't cook so well the way I can teach a yoga class. So the first thing I accepted when somebody commented you can't cook, yes, I can't cook. I'm good at something else. So it is
ఎస్
not
అబ్సల్యూట్లీ
so it's not necessary that if I'm not able to cook that I should put down myself. So we have to look into each and every negative thought. From where have we gathered this? Have we gathered it from our own experience, or మన దృష్టిలో మనని మనము ఒకలాగా చూసుకుంటాం. There is
ఓకే మ్యామ్
another way. We look at ourselves from the eyes of others. Somebody says you are very beautiful, we feel yes, we are beautiful. When we look at ourselves in the mirror, we think the nose is white, the
నో
ears I
బిగ్
have some
ఐస్
black.
యా
So somebody, when they approve us, we feel good. Somebody is putting down, we put ourselves down. Ala kaakunda Jyoti, we should take the agency or charge of our life. However
ఓకే
I
మ్యామ్
am, whatever I am. This is an affirmation I keep telling to my students in my class. I am perfect with all my imperfections. So it's like an affirmation that we do every day in our class. So ఏంటంటే అందరికీ అంత మెచ్యూరిటీ ఉండదు. అంటే if people taunt or say something, if we are not prepared, we are not in a matured state of thing, mm, without knowing, we are going to go into depression and constantly ఇది
దట్
తలలో.
హ్యాపెన్స్ మ్యామ్
When it is churning, naturally you are not able to focus on the things you are doing.
ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ఎనీథింగ్ మ్యామ్ దట్స్ ట్రూ
You are not using your
దట్స్ ట్రూ
full potential. You become unproductive, and suddenly
వెరీ ట్రూ
someone says, "What is this you have done like this?" Then we kind of, what do you say? We say, "Yes, I do. I'm not good. Yeah, this
I
also
am
has
not
come."
worthy. I don't know what. All this comes really, ma'am. Very true,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, there are many questions, ma'am, popping in. I will take some of the questions, ma'am.
Sure.
uh, Sneha Aditya Karthik. She's a awesome teacher who understands our conditions, and I think she's one of your students, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sunita, she's saying great, and so we'll take some interesting questions, ma'am. Um, okay, Rajeshwari, ma'am, you told yoga, meditation, chanting, pranayama are good. Which one is healthy for us to do daily?
Um, uh, Nothing is independent of the other. So how we were taught in our teacher training is that if you want to sit, your body should be healthy enough. Then if you want to breathe, your channels or nadis should be clear enough. And if
Yeah.
you have to meditate, your mind should have been enough decluttered, or the container should have been cleaned. So
Okay.
asana cheyali, you have to do pranayama, you have to do meditation. All the three are a combination. And actually we follow this Ashtanga Yoga, Jyoti, where you have the
Okay.
principles of Yama and Niyama also. Yama
Oh,
and
okay, okay,
Niyamas,
ma'am.
I think you might have heard of them. So
Yeah,
not
I've heard about
lying,
it, ma'am.
not lying,
Yeah.
not
Mm.
causing harm to others. కొట్టటమే కాదు, not
Mm.
physically, even through the mouth,
Yeah,
oral,
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
so
ma'am.
all
Verbally,
these have
yeah.
to be done. See, you can just simply sit and meditate also, but as we are growing old, naturally the body will start showing signs of aging, and there'll be parinama in the body. So the joints are
Uh,
becoming stiff, the body seems to be losing its toning. So if you could do some form of walking, generally I suggest walking or yoga or swimming, because they come under anga anga sadhana. Your right side
uh-huh.
is equally exercised as much as the left, so equally you do on both sides. So
Yes, ma'am.
certain
Yes, ma'am.
practices, yeah, like if you are playing tennis or if you are into some other game, you see that you might be using one arm more. So that's
Absolutely, ma'am.
some of the sports and some other certain practices, we call them anga bhanga sadhana. So
Okay,
they
okay, ma'am.
are so one part of the body is used more than the rest of the parts. So
Very true, ma'am.
overall, Jyoti, I would suggest pick up all the three. If you don't have in our tradition, I give a 5 minute practice, I give a 10 minute practice. They say, ma'am, I can't spend more than 10 minutes. అందులోనే ప్రాణాయామ వచ్చేస్తుంది, అందులోనే రెండు యోగాసనాలు వచ్చేస్తాయి, అండ్ ఐ గివ్ 2 minutes మెడిటేషన్. అండ్ వాకింగ్ కూడా అట్లా 1 hour అది అవసరం లేదు. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ with mindfulness and awareness, you can just walk for 10 minutes, that is enough. So I
Okay,
would
ma'am.
say, please pick up all the three of them. You have 10 minutes, do 2 minutes, or you have 10 minutes, do 3 minutes of some asana practice, just 1 or 2 rounds of Surya Namaskara, then do some pranayama, then just close your eyes and meditate upon your Ishta Daiva, any form that you like, or like the light. I believe in a energy kind of a higher source, because these forms are too confusing for me. So I
Very
pick
true,
up
ma'am.
like like a white light, I meditate upon it. So body
Yeah, ma'am.
neglect say, body will start complaining. If you don't do pranayama, because of the stress and anxiety, the whole body is like little contracted, like this it will be.
Very
So
true.
the
Yeah, ma'am.
inhalation
Yeah,
doesn't
ma'am.
go in properly, the exhalation doesn't come out. మనం ఎప్పటికప్పుడు ఆ CO2 అవి టాక్సిసిటీస్, ఇంప్యూరిటీస్ క్లియర్ చేయకపోతే, they continue to get stored in the body, and తర్వాత
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
they cause some problem or the other. So every day, just as we sweep our house, we clean rest of the things, we need to once cleanse the body with air wash and some asana practice. And of course, for the mind, we will meditate to clean it every day. Some argument,
Very
some
true, ma'am.
conversation, some fight, something will happen. The boss would say something, or with the spouse will have a conversation, the in-laws or somebody, some conversation, and we are left with the residue of the conversation. అది పెట్టుకొని దాన్ని ఆలోచిస్తూ ఉంటాము.
Very
So
true, ma'am.
the
Very
body,
true, ma'am.
yeah, and then you kind of feel low that day, you don't want to do work. అలాంటప్పుడు if you can do a mild asana practice, నేను ఎలా చెప్తానంటే, another example that I give is like combing your hair. When you comb your hair, ఆ చిక్కులు నాట్లు అన్ని క్లియర్ అయిపోయి, how nicely you can run your fingers through the hair.
Smoothly, yes, ma'am. Yeah.
అలాగే ఇఫ్ యూ డూ ఆసనా ప్రాక్టీస్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ డూ ద ప్రాణాయామ్ ప్రాక్టీస్, మీ బాడీలో ఉన్న చిక్కులు, ఆ నాడుల్లో ఉన్నవి, ఏదైనా బ్లాక్స్ ఉన్నా, ఇమోషనల్ బ్లాక్స్ ఉన్నా, ఏదైనా రెసిడ్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ కాన్వర్సేషన్స్ యూ హ్యాడ్ ఇన్ ద హౌస్, ఏదున్నా అది క్లియర్ అయిపోతుంది. అప్పుడు యూ విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు సిట్ అండ్ మెడిటేట్. And your
Very true, ma'am.
belief in yourself will also start getting strengthening.
Very true, ma'am. So, any questions, please ask Rajeshwari Garni. So, any, ma'am, Rajeshwari voice is little low. I don't think so, ma'am. Now, is it low? Can anybody else say that? If it is, but I can hear it properly. If it is low, please let me know.
I've
Ma'am,
been holding the mic.
yeah, she's been holding the mic from almost 20 minutes now. Ma'am, this is one question even I have seen many people going through. It's perfect. Thank you, Sana. Yeah. Ma'am, it's perfect. Somebody answered. Sahana has answered. Thanks, Sahana, for joining the show. So, ma'am, everybody will, most of the people, ma'am, even the top level celebrities to, normal people, I've seen them, ma'am. And the thing is, they'll have everything, ma'am, in life. మంచి కారు బంగ్లా మనీ మంచి జాబ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ మ్యామ్ క్వేక్ వాక్లా ఉంటుంది ఆర్ దే వుడ్ have struggled and got also whatever it is ma'am. Okay ma'am, why are they suffering? Why are they still going to depression? What is the reason?
Um, so I would refer to the Yama Niyamas again in yoga. So in the Niyamas, it is like your personal observances. So these are about us. They are five.
Yeah.
The Yamas are five. They are in relation to the society. The Niyamas are about your own interaction with your own self. In that comes Saucha, Santosha, Tapas, Swadhyaya,
Yeah
Ishvara
ma'am.
Pranidhana. So
Yeah ma'am.
the second thing, the niyama that has been mentioned is Santosha.
Okay.
So like I told you, Jyoti, in the previous question also, they have to sit down with themselves and figure out what are they unhappy about. So
Okay.
Santosha in Niyama, at least to this day, what I understand, of course, people would be much more matured and they would have seen life more also. But going by my experience, what I would share is Santosha or contentment is the key for being happy.
Okay.
Many a times we see like even I do that sometimes. Like somebody has a duplex house. I have only single story building. Uh, I have a Swift car. Somebody else has Audi. Like you said, the people who already have the duplex house and Audi are not happy. So we don't know. We don't know why they are unhappy. It is
Yeah.
the adhyatmika, the pain I told you, right? Suffering that is categorized into three. This comes under adhyatmika. So
Okay.
whatever I'm thinking that I'm suffering, why am I suffering? What is that I'm feeling lacking about? So sometimes if you see there are people who are very poor, they have very minimal facilities in their life. They are very happy.
They're very happy ma'am. I've seen that. Yeah.
Huh.
Very happy. They're
So
content.
yeah, so nowadays we are getting lot of WhatsApp forwards. No, one of the forwards I was seeing. There was a person who had 99 things, and there's one thing he didn't have. So we call all these people like Club 99 members. So they have
Yeah,
99
that's
things
true.
in their life. They are looking forward for that 100th thing. What is that 100th thing they have to figure out, Jyoti? ఎందుకంటే this is a very wide topic. There's a very wide topic. So అందులో
Yeah ma'am.
when you look at Yama Niyama say santosha or contentment, you have to find happiness, contentment in what you have. I can give a personal example like my husband decided to retire when he was around, I think, 47 or 48. He felt that I have earned enough money. Let me now leave my job. And also, he said, if I leave my job, there will be an opportunity for a young guy to take up the job. So,
Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I saw a lot of contentment in that. So sometimes we see that after retirement also people are working to engage themselves or monetarily, whatever, I don't know. So when my husband was doing this, he was retiring much early before his retirement age. Even I was surprised, like we our children were still in school. We had to take care of their higher education and all. I was wondering why is he doing this. So when I looked into this perspective, the santosh or contentment, so he says, when I spoke to him about this, he says, when will the contentment come? The contentment will never come. We have to put a point where, okay, ఇది నాకు ఇంత చాలు ఈ life లో, and I think I should now leave it for others. So adi
Others,
they have
absolutely.
to sit and they have to figure out what is that they are feeling lacking about. వాళ్ళు కూర్చొని ఫిగర్ అవుట్ చేసుకుంటే, it is always like I
Then,
said, we have to go within and find, నాకు ఆడియో ఉంది, నాకు డూప్లెక్స్ ఇల్లు ఉంది, నాకు
very
క్యాష్
true, ma'am.
బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉంది, కానీ నేను ఎందుకు హ్యాపీగా లేను? సో ఇన్ సఫరింగ్, వై ఆమ్ ఐ సఫరింగ్?
Right, ma'am.
అండ్ ఆల్సో one of the sutras in yoga sutra text మాకు, it's like a bible for us. We keep referring to that text, యోగా చేసే వాళ్ళందరూ. అందులో ఆయన పతంజలి గారు ఏమంటారంటే, whenever there is a change in the internal condition or external condition, or త్రిగుణాస్ అని ఉంటాయి మన బాడీలో, రజస్ తమోస్ సత్వాని, ఇవి చేంజ్ అయినా కూడా always everything is dukham only. He says, try to
Yeah.
find happiness by connecting to the higher source. Adi, not in gaining money or gaining fame, name, glory. నేను ఎంత సంపాదించాను, నాకు ఎన్ని బిల్డింగ్లు ఉన్నాయి కాదు. He says, find your true self, your connect to the, మనం ఒక పర్పస్ మీద వచ్చాం కదా ఇక్కడికి.
అవును, అవును, ma'am.
That's a different subject. అది వేరే వేదాంతంలోకి
We'll take it another day, ma'am, that one.
another day. So
The
if
purpose
they
of
are
life.
the purpose of life, what in doing what I'm doing, what am I really
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
in
yeah,
my
yeah.
life? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. So
Yeah, ma'am.
contentment,
So,
if I'm
so
not happy,
contentment will, we have to do a self-analysis. That's what you're saying, right, ma'am?
yes, what are they
Yeah.
unhappy about? నాకు అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి life లో. See, ఒకటి
Why,
జ్యోతి,
why am I?
suppose so somebody wanted increment, and suddenly the company gives an increment. They are happy for a moment, again they are unhappy. Why? Because నేను 10,000 వస్తుంది అనుకున్న 5 వచ్చింది. You see,
Oh, okay,
again
like
there
that.
is unhappiness. అవునా? ఈ 5,000
No, no,
పెరిగింది
no.
చూసుకోము మనం. So that was the sum I was looking for. Oh, I'm disappointed. My appraisal was not done properly. So again you see how dukham. సో
How
ఎవ్రీథింగ్
to, very true.
ఫైనలీ ఈ మెటీరియల్ మనం ఇది చూసుకున్నన్ని రోజులు మనం వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఓన్లీ ఫీల్ దుఃఖం. సో
Very
దేర్
true.
ఆర్ టూ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఇన్ యోగా, సుఖం అండ్ దుఃఖం. ఏంటంటే ఖమ్ ఇస్ స్పేస్. సో మనం ఎప్పుడు దుఃఖం అంటే బాధ, సారో. సుఖం ఈస్ బీయింగ్ జాయ్ఫుల్ అండ్
Joyful.
blissful.
Yeah.
Always
Yeah,
if we
ma'am.
are always we are like feeling bad for something or the other, here this part, here the heart chakra, it will be like this, constricted గా ఉంటుంది. You won't be able to breathe, you won't be able to enjoy anything life. ఎప్పుడైతే ఇది ఇక్కడ టైట్ అయిపోతుందో, ఎప్పుడు దుఃఖంలో ఉంటే సర్క్యులేషన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, రెస్పిరేషన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, డైజెషన్ అవుతుంది. బికాస్ if you water your garden, no, you hold that pipe tightly, what happens? There is a block, right?
Yeah, it will burst, ma'am. Yeah, it will.
It's
Yeah.
like that only. Here when it is tight, the heart chakra is like in dukkham space always. Everything is constricted. There is no free flow of prana. Anni health issues start hote, tarvata mind issues start hote. Ade manamu, if we constantly keep our this space, the pranasthana in sukham position, then we will be happy. Anni parameters,
Very nice, ma'am. బాగా
sympathetic
చెప్పారు, ma'am. Very
uh,
fantastically told.
yeah,
Fantastically told, ma'am. In a layman can also understand it. So the
yeah.
thing is, the moment if we think all negative and put negative, constantly that aura also will form negative. That's what you're saying, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the one more
So,
exercise that they can do is, Jyoti, whenever they feel I'm unworthy, they have to do that I'm worthy. దానికి opposite చేసేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. That's the first step we start. Then
okay,
connecting
ma'am.
with a sangha or taking a professional help will also help them to come out. అంటే like I spoke, no, there'll be lot of childhood traumas and adulthood లో
Yes, ma'am.
వాటి వల్ల
Issues.
వచ్చినవి ఇష్యూస్ క్లియర్ చేసుకుంటే they will go, they will
They'll be
slowly
fine.
fade away. Those things will fade away, and then your mind is like more mirror laga antar. That is the sattva state where you can just wipe it off. Anybody says something to you, it doesn't affect you, you can just wipe it off. That comes only through
Very
the
nice, ma'am.
practice.
Very true. Yes, ma'am. It
Any
comes with practice.
interesting
So
question?
yeah, ma'am. That's what I'm searching for an interesting question. Banu Tej, he asked, can you advise right time to meditate or to do yoga? I work for night shifts.
Huh.
Right time ఏంటి మ్యామ్? నైట్ షిఫ్ట్ చేసే వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్.
Night shift. So they say you have to do yoga before any external material enters your body. And for example, if you had dinner and you slept, when you get up in the morning, the whole system is empty. ఏం తినుండం కదా 7-8 years. Sorry, 7-8 hours. So that is the ideal time when you should do yoga. Ante you have to empty your bowl and then you have to do your practice. Kani because of our nature of job and all, like Eena chepparu kada night duty ani. I had a student once who had come. He also used to do night shift, and then he would have his dinner 5 a.m. in the morning, and
ఓకే.
then he would sleep. Afternoon 12 o'clock he'll get up, he'll have his tea again, he will feel little tired, he will again sleep, then get up around 3:34, have lunch and rush to his office. So e
యా
gap
మ్యామ్.
lo he couldn't find time to do any exercise, and the body was not cooperating because we
ఎస్
are
మ్యామ్.
working against the nature kada. We are supposed to
అవును.
sleep in the night and work in the afternoon. Ippudu whatever
వర్క్ ఇన్ ద
we something.
యా
Ha.
యా.
So danvalla that routine got disturbed. So after speaking to, so his concern, he was just like below 30 and already he was having obesity and diabetes and sugar and all. Then when I
ఓకే.
spoke to him, his whole week was going off like this. I couldn't suggest any time when he can do yoga. So when as I spoke to him, he said Saturday, Sunday I'm free, and then Monday evening I'll go to the office again.
ఓకే.
So these 3 days, I asked him to start yoga or exercise or whatever he likes to start in these 3 days. Something better than nothing. Okay. So till now he was not exercising at all, and the job stress, everything was accumulating in his system. That is why below 30 also he got all those diseases. So I said start in baby steps, work out those 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Rest of the week you have no choice. Stay with your routine. And then again, please work. So slowly some shift will happen in the body. All the impurities, always we are sitting, there is no movement. సో కొంచెం ప్రాణచలనం అవ్వాలంటే అట్లీస్ట్ థ్రైస్ ఎ వీక్ 3 times a week in a row అయినా అలా సాటర్డే సండే మండే చేసుకో. Rest of the day, week you are helpless, you can't do anything, and I can't say also please exercise ani. So
యా యా
baby
మ్యామ్.
steps,
బికాస్ ఆఫ్
Jyoti,
ద
baby steps. So this person, whoever
స్లోలీ.
our friend has asked, he can take out 15 minutes or 10 minutes initially, or he can also figure out like weekend he can go. So sudden ga anta ekko cheyakudadu, because if they are not used to any form of exercise, let them start in baby steps, 10 minutes, 15
Very
minutes.
slowly. Yes,
Ha.
yes, yes. So please ask the question. Yeah, I've asked, ma. So Banu Tej, so that question I have already asked what you wanted to ask. You can do exercises thrice a week, and she has told that after eating there should be a long gap. That's what is
Yeah,
being
after
advised
food,
by all the sharing.
actually, a heavy lunch, it will be 4 hours. Idli, dosa, vada, upma, something like that, you are eating minimum 2.5 hours. If you have oats, milk, or something, fruit, half 1 hour, 1 to 1.5 hour.
1 hour.
So
Wonderful, ma'am.
evening,
Wonderful.
uh, so if he plans
So
to do in
that's
the
a
evening,
wonderful.
let him have his lunch by 1 o'clock. Let him do his practice around 4:35 in the evening.
Yeah, super. Superb advice, ma'am. This is applicable to all, not only for the person who has asked us. So, while doing yoga, what kind of music to listen? That's one of the question asked. Ma'am, what kind of music, ma'am? And also, ma'am, today you are going to teach us basic chanting, no, ma'am. Any one chanting for all of us,
Just
because
yeah,
you know.
I wanted to just do it because everyone will know what we are doing, healing chant.
Yes, ma'am.
So there was a question. What did you say? What was that
While
question now?
doing yoga, what kind of a music to listen?
Music. So actually, not to disappoint you, whoever that friend is, it is better if in yoga we don't listen to any music. We do something called Ujjayi breathing in the yoga, where you tuck the chin down and you feel the breath at the pit of the throat. It will be like a
Okay.
mild hissing sound of the snake. Okay. I
Oh,
don't know
okay,
if
okay.
they can hear. So exhale, you can hear better. I'm not able to do it with inhale right now because I have been
Yeah.
talking. So that's the mild hissing sound that we make, and we ideally inhale into the chest and expand the lungs on inhalation, and exhalation we draw the lower abdomen in and up, contracting
Yeah.
it as much as possible. So throughout the practice we are going to stay connected with the breath, every inhalation and every exhalation that is coming in and out. If we are connecting to the music and doing so, Jyoti, actually, yoga is said to be like when you do a posture, an asana, you are understanding the grammar of the body. If I raise my arm today up like this, is my shoulder hurting or do I have a shoulder which is free, painless? Music వింటే
Yeah.
కొంచెము with we I don't know కొంచెం
We
mindless
might
గా
not concentrate. That's what ma'am meant. We might not be able
so
to concentrate.
concentration.
So
So
it's
what is the thought?
better.
So not to listen to music because make them do one leg asanas, okay, like Bhagirath asana, Nataraj asana. One person who did it nicely today, next day they keep falling in the
They
same
might not.
posture because they
Yeah.
have something that's going on in the head that's not allowing them to stay stable. Okay, music vinakunda unte, these are the things that we can observe about ourselves. Yesterday I
Very
was
true,
doing
ma'am.
Bhagirath asana nicely. Today, why am I falling? Okay, yesterday there was a phone call because of which I was disturbed, or just before the practice, I read a WhatsApp message that has really shaken me. I'm not able to balance myself. Adi even
Yeah,
notice
that
chase
thought is
koni.
running in your mind, and we are not able to do that asana. Is
Yeah,
that
so
correct, ma'am?
yes, every breath, every prana that is coming in and out has to be observed. Observe every joint, every every posture, every part of your body when you're doing the practice. This is what I suggest. Ledu, I want to listen ante emanna which doesn't have lyrics, okay? Listen to flute or some soft music so that you are not singing or అటెన్షన్ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోకూడదు ఏ సినిమా పాట వింటున్నాం అనుకో జ్యోతి
Down,
some
ma'am.
song some so you start humming those lyrics, so the focus will move away from this to that. We don't know how many
Ah,
repetitions
super.
we have done, and it will be like
We're
wonderful.
not clear. Our mind diversions will be more. So thanks, ma'am. Thanks for enlightening it. Ma'am, I'll come to the question. Ma'am, it said that meditation and yoga, if it will help any kind of depressions, ma'am. Is that true? Can you give us the light? Because we have read in many books, many people preaching about it, that if you do yoga and meditation, any kind of depression, ma'am, will go away. Is that true, ma'am?
um Jyoti, two three things here. um Depression, like what we have been talking for the last 1 hour. First of all, find out why am I going through this low phase in the life. Okay, if you can figure out what where is going wrong, then you will be able to. So again, there will be certain problems which will be time bound, some problems which are um, what do you say, related to money or financial thing, something relationship. So కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్
Yeah.
సాల్వ్ చేయగలము, కొన్ని చెయ్యలేము. సో
JLM,
we
అవును
have to
ma'am.
చేయలేము. So what is that I'm depressed about, what is that I'm trying to um, solve in my life? Is every problem solvable, or are there some problems that I have to park aside, which will take time? So if we figure out చేసుకొని um, meditation or pranayama or asana does help, Jyoti. It will bring a shift in your system which has been in a kind of ఒక numbness లో ఉన్న system activate అవుతుంది కానీ, but still I would say that they should really do some homework ఆ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మేషన్ ఏదైతే కావాలో, suppose a few years back when I said no, when my mom was alive, I used to think I'll do yoga, I will go for walk, I will do this, I will do that. How I'll be doing? I'll be sitting and thinking like this. There was no action, so my weight was increasing, my health issues were adding on. Only when something hit me in my life that I
Bang.
got up, I got up and did something about it. So depressive ga undi, low mood undi, I'm unhappy about something. Move, like get up and move, take some action about it. You first of all find out the problems that can be solved right now or cannot be solved right now. Make your life little simple. Complications ఉంటే సింప్లిఫై చేసుకోండి. ఎక్కువ ఎక్కువ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ చేసుకొని ఊరికనే ఆదిదే వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఐ టోల్డ్ ఆధ్యాత్మిక సఫరింగ్. ఆఫ్టర్ ద లాక్డౌన్ ఐ biggest audio.
No, ma'am, it's fine.
After, yeah, in the lockdown, many people realized that we ended up taking loans and buying things that we don't need, like the car.
Yeah, ma'am.
We were not using the car. Many of us women especially, we shop lot of saris with matching blouse with
Which
so
you
many
don't use.
which we are not using now. So if their anxiety is about losing the job, or if their anxiety is about the money, I think we should start being conservative now. నాకు ఎంత what is the my limit that I can expand to, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి they should cut off and regulate the things in their life, so that ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, అన్నెన్ని అప్పులు పెట్టి కార్ తీసుకున్నాము, ఇల్లు తీసుకున్నాము, సడన్లీ లే ఆఫ్ అవుతోంది. మనం ముందు జాగ్రత్తగానే ఎక్కువ లోన్లు పెట్టుకోకుండా, ఇఫ్ వీ హ్యాడ్ ప్లాన్ బి, ఏదో మూవీలో వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు ప్లాన్ ఏ ప్లాన్ బి అని, always have a plan B. If this is not going to work out, what should I be doing? అనవసరంగా చాలా చాలా మట్టుకు I would say we ourselves do something that we don't realize, then we repent about it. ముందు తెలియదు కాన్సిక్వెన్సెస్. ఎప్పుడైనా మనం ఇప్పుడు ఈ కోవిడ్ వస్తుందని మనకి ఎప్పుడు తెలియదు.
ఎప్పుడు తెలియదు. అవునా, ఊహించలేదు
ఎక్స్పెక్ట్
ఎప్పుడు.
తెలియదు. సో డెంగ్యూ వాజ్ కమింగ్, చికెన్ గున్యా వాజ్ కమింగ్, ఏవో వస్తున్నాయి పోతున్నాయి, ఇట్ నెవర్ బాదర్డ్. నా ఇప్పుడు జాబ్స్ అన్నిటికీ ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయింది. సో కొంచెం ఇన్ అదర్ టైమ్స్ మనం కన్జర్వేటివ్ గా ఉండి, అనవసరంగా మనకి తలకి మించిన బాధ్యత, ఐ మీన్ వాట్ ఎవర్ దోస్ లోన్స్ కానీ అనవసరమైన కమిట్మెంట్లు ఎక్కువ పెట్టుకోకుండా ఉంటే మనం కొంత ఆధ్యాత్మిక ఆర్ సఫరింగ్ దట్ వీఆర్ పుట్టింగ్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇంటూ తగ్గించవచ్చు. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫిగర్ అవుట్ జ్యోతి. మనకి ప్రొఫెషనల్ హెల్ప్ ఇస్తారు కానీ అన్లెస్, సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఫుడ్ ఆన్ ద టేబుల్, లంచ్ ఆర్ ఇప్పుడు డిన్నర్ కావాలి, చపాతీ కావాలి, ఇంకో కూర ఏదైనా కావాలి, వీ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ అప్, గో టు ద మార్కెట్, గెట్ దోస్ థింగ్స్, కుక్, ఓన్లీ దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ ఆన్ ద టేబుల్. మనం కూర్చొని సో నాకు డిప్రెషన్ పోవాలి, నాకు లేకపోతే ఆరోగ్యం కావాలి, నాకు ఈ వెయిట్ తగ్గాలంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాక్ట్. అన్లెస్ వీ యాక్ట్, మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటే ఏది జరగదు. ఐఎమ్ డిప్రెస్డ్. Figure out what are you depressed about. When was the first time you started noticing that you are depressed? How do you know that the depression is now with you? Are you depressed the whole day, or are you feeling it in pockets in certain time of the day? Oksari na దగ్గరికి I had a client who said that I'm depressed throughout the day. నేను మాట్లాడంగా తెలిసింది ఏంటంటే, mostly she feels low from 11 a.m. morning to 1 o'clock till the lunch, and she even had suicidal thoughts. Okay, so when I asked how do you engage that time, ante మా మదర్ కూరలు తరగటానికి అది ఇస్తూ ఉంటారండి, I help her with the kitchen stuff because I don't want to take bath or do anything. The first thing I warned her mom is, please take away the knife during that time. So ఆ లో మూడ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ద రాంగ్ థింగ్ టు దెమ్. సో ఐఎమ్ డిప్రెస్డ్ త్రూ అవుట్ ద డే అన్న మనిషి మాట్లాడంగా వీ కేమ్ టు నో దట్ ఓన్లీ ఫ్రమ్ 11 to 1 a.m. షీఈస్ నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ గుడ్. అండ్ ఆ టైంలో ఎక్కువ వాట్ డూ యూ లైక్ డూయింగ్, అది ఆ డిప్రెస్ లాగా అనిపించినప్పుడు నీకు ఏం చేయాలనిపిస్తుంది అంటే, ఐ థింక్ ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు లై డౌన్ అండ్ లిసన్ టు మ్యూజిక్ అని. ఓకే, డూ దట్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ జ్యోతి. ఇప్పుడు డిప్రెషన్, యాంగ్జైటీ కానీ పానిక్ కానీ అవుతుంటే ఎంతసేపు అది మనతో ఉంటుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ వెన్ ఐ డూ కౌన్సిలింగ్ ఐ నేమ్ ఇట్ as మిస్సెస్ డిప్రెషన్. So how do you know Mrs. Depression is there with you? And what does that make you do? It makes me cry. Okay, how do you know that
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Depression has left you? I get up, I take bath, I make a cup of nice tea for myself. సో ఆ మిస్సెస్ డిప్రెషన్ లేకపోతే నీ లైఫ్ ఇంకా ఎంత బాగుంటుందంటే దే విల్ మేక్ ఎ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్. సో స్లోలీ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన క్లయింట్ లాగా 11 to 1 ఆ పీరియడ్ బాగలేనప్పుడు వదిలేసి ద రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమ్ వెన్ దే ఆర్ గుడ్, వెన్ దే ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ లైవ్, అప్పుడు యోగానో మెడిటేషన్ ఏదైనా చేసుకుంటే ఈ పాకెట్ 11 to 1 ఏం కూడా మెల్లిగా మాయమైపోతుంది.
మెల్లిగా మాయమైపోతుంది. అవును ma'am.
మాయమైపోతుంది. షీ విల్ నెవర్ నో హౌ షీ కేమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దాట్ ఆల్సో. బట్ you have to do the practice, hook on to a guru or a teacher or something. ఎందుకంటే వీళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ ఆసనాస్ చేయాలనిపించకపోవచ్చు, వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ ప్రాణాయామ, చాంటింగ్, యోగ నిద్ర అలాంటివి ఇవ్వాలి. సో కరెక్ట్ది చేసుకుంటే వాళ్ళు దే విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు కమ్ అవుట్. ఇంపాసిబుల్ అయితే కాదు, ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్.
వెరీ ట్రూ మ్యామ్. మ్యామ్ సో మీరు చాలా చాలా మాకు ఎన్లైట్మెంట్, చాలా చాలా విషయాలు మాకు చెప్పారు. ఇట్ ఇస్ రియలీ రియలీ గుడ్ మ్యామ్. సో బిఫోర్ వి వైండ్ అప్ మ్యామ్, కెన్ యూ టెల్ us some breathing exercises and couple of any one chanting at least ma'am, so that daily అది చేసుకుంటే it's good for the present pandemic situation ma'am.
యా, సో బ్రీదింగ్ అయితే ఐ వుడ్ సజెస్ట్, అంటే బ్లడ్ ప్రెషర్ అవి లేని వాళ్ళు, వర్టిగో కానీ అలాంటివి లేని వాళ్ళు కపాలభాతి జెంటిల్గా యూ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ఎక్సలేషన్. ఇన్హలేషన్ ప్యాసివ్గా అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ పాండమిక్ అంతా ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ లంగ్స్ కాబట్టి మనం ఎప్పటికప్పుడు కొంచెము దాన్ని క్లీన్గా చేసుకుంటూ, లైక్ ఇట్ గోస్ లైక్ దిస్. So you flap your abdomen every time in with the exhalation. Okay?
Okay ma'am.
అది కాకుండా కాన్స్టెంట్లీ మనము when we are going out or any family member goes out, మనకి టెన్షన్ గా ఉంటుంది. వాళ్ళు రాగానే వాళ్ళకి శానిటైజర్లు వేసేయటము, సబ్బులు వేయటము, అలా ఏదో ఒకటి సంథింగ్. అదర్ థింగ్ ఈస్ దాట్ మొన్నటి దాకా హెల్ప్స్ రాలేదు. సో దేర్ ఇస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ హౌస్ వైఫ్స్ కి వెదర్ మేట్స్ లేరు, పాపం హెల్ప్స్ లేరు, చాలా స్ట్రెస్. సో మనం క్యాజువల్ గా అప్పుడప్పుడు ఇఫ్ యూ నోటీస్ జ్యోతి ఇలా అంటాం. అలాంటిది ఒక బ్లో బెలూన్ అంటారు, ఆర్ వి డూ లైక్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ డబుల్ బ్రీదింగ్, లైక్ if you do that, make a sound from inside. Imagine you are throwing away every stress or anxiety or anything that
this can be done by everybody ma'am. అంటే అందరూ చేసుకోవచ్చు ma'am.
అందరూ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎవరికి
హైపర్టెన్షన్, థైరాయిడ్, హార్ట్ పేషెంట్స్ అందరూ చేయొచ్చా?
సెకండ్ ది చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఫస్ట్ ది కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి. కపాలభాతి కొంచెం పవర్ఫుల్ టెక్నిక్.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు చేసింది
చేసుకోవచ్చు. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇంకో కొంచెం సౌండ్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు, లైక్ సో యు ఆర్ రియల్లీ లెట్టింగ్ గో
all the stress and
you will notice that your mind and your body will become very very light, very very light. ఇది ఒక 12 times ఎంతో 16 times చేసుకోవచ్చు. Actually there are lot of pranayama techniques that can be done. ఇందాక నేను చెప్పిన ఉజ్జాయి, సింపుల్ ఉజ్జాయి బ్రీదింగ్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. Inhale into the chest, pause for 2 seconds and then exhale, drawing the lower abdomen in and up. అదొక 12 rounds 20 rounds కాన్షియస్ గా కూర్చొని receiving every prana with lot of gratitude and surrender it with a bhavana that ఒక ప్రసాదం లాగా తీసుకోవాలి బ్రెత్ ని. అది దేవుడిచ్చే ప్రసాదం మనకి. ఎవ్రీ మూమెంట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ టు అస్, గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద సోర్స్, కమింగ్ టు అస్, గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద సోర్స్. సో దానికి గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ తో తీసుకొని హాయిగా తీసుకోవాలి. బ్రెత్ హాయిగా తీసుకుంటే అంతా తగ్గిపోతుంది, మెంటల్ టెన్షన్ తగ్గిపోతుంది. సో we have this there's a Sanskrit చిన్న లైన్, చలే వాతం చలం చిత్తం నిశ్చలే నిశ్చలం భవేత్. ఆ బ్రెత్ షార్ట్ గా వేవరీగా చిరాక్గా తీసుకుంటే మైండ్ కూడా అలాగే వేవరీగా ఉంటుందట. వేవరీగా ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాన్ కామ్ డౌన్ యువర్ మైండ్ ఒక అందమైన రిథమ్ లో ఆర్ ఒక ప్లెయిన్ సాఫ్ట్ ఒక రిథమ్ లో తీసుకోగలిగితే గనక your mind will start calming down, it will start feeling good. మనం చాలా మందికి, నేను ఎస్పెషలీ నా దగ్గర సెంటర్కి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి చూస్తా, దేర్ ఇన్హలేషన్ విల్ బి లాంగర్ దెన్ ఎక్సలేషన్, విచ్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ గుడ్. ఎప్పుడు మన ఇన్హలేషన్ ఎక్సలేషన్ ఈక్వల్ అన్నా ఉండాలి, లేకపోతే ఎక్సేల్ లాంగ్ అన్నా ఉండాలి. సో ఇవాళ నుంచి వాళ్ళు ఏం ఓం చాంటింగ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఇన్హేల్ చేసి జస్ట్ టు నో ద ఎక్సలేషన్ లెంత్ తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఇన్హేల్ అండ్ see, for those few seconds there was nothing that was coming into my mind. I was totally into that om sound.
Okay, correct, ma'am.
సో ఆ ఓం కానీ ఏదన్నా పెట్టుకుంటే యూ విల్ బి విత్ ద సౌండ్, యువర్ మైండ్ విల్, ఆ కాసేపైనా ఆ నెగిటివ్ థాట్స్, ఆ ఓవర్ థింకింగ్, ఆ అన్నెసెసరీ థాట్స్, మనం మైండ్ తో ప్రాబ్లం
అన్ని
ఏంటంటే అది
వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. అవును మ్యామ్.
ఫ్యూచర్ కన్నా వెళ్తుంది, పాస్ట్ కన్నా వెళ్తుంది, అది ఇప్పుడు ఉండదు, ఇక్కడ ఉండదు. సో ఎంగేజింగ్ ద మైండ్ ఇస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ టాస్క్ ఫర్ అస్ యాజ్ వెల్ బీయింగ్ కి ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఇస్ దాట్ యూ బ్రీద్ ప్రాపర్లీ, inhale
That's
properly,
true.
exhale properly. Then your body will start recovering slowly. So పోషణ భోజనంతోనే కాదు, బ్రెత్ తో కూడా మన బాడీ పోషింపబడుతుంది. సో మంచిగా హాయిగా ఒక రిలాక్స్డ్ బ్రెత్, ఎవ్రీ టైం రిలాక్స్డ్ బ్రెత్ తీసుకొని రిలాక్స్డ్ బ్రెత్ వదిలిపెడితే అసలు పక్కన వచ్చి బాంబు పడ్డా కూడా కదలరు వీళ్ళు, అంత స్థిత ప్రజ్ఞత వస్తుంది. ఓకే,
Very
సంబడి
true,
హస్ థ్రోన్ ఏ
ma'am.
బాంబ్ అని మ్యాక్స్ చచ్చిపోతాను అంతే, నాకేమవుతుంది, సమ్ డే ఐ వుడ్ హావ్ డైడ్ అట్ 70, ఐఎమ్ డైయింగ్ టుడే, అంత లైట్ తీసుకుంటారు జ్యోతి.
Very true,
కానీ
ma'am. Very true, ma'am.
డేలో కొంత టైం మీకోసం కేటాయించుకొని ఆ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే అది అది వస్తుంది, ఆ స్టెబిలిటీ
పట్టు
కానీ
వస్తుంది.
ఆ
Stability
పట్టు.
వస్తుంది. Okay, ma'am.
ఓకే, నేను షెల్ ఐ డూ ద చాంట్ టు క్లోజ్ ద
Yes, ma'am.
అవర్ సెషన్ టుడే?
I'll also join you, ma'am. True.
ఓకే, సో నేను బ్రీఫ్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. దీన్ని ఆయుర్ మంత్ర అంటాము. ఇది నేను
Okay,
మా
ma'am.
స్టూడెంట్స్కి చేయిస్తూ ఉంటాను. దిస్ ఈస్ లైక్
Okay,
ఫర్
ma'am.
ద హోల్ బాడీ వీ డూ సర్టన్ జెస్చర్స్ ఫర్ ద హోల్ బాడీ, దెన్ వీ సెలెక్ట్ డిఫరెంట్ పార్ట్స్ ఇన్ ద బాడీ అండ్ ట్రై టు గివ్ దెమ్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్, హెల్త్ అండ్ వైటాలిటీ. సో
Yes, ma'am.
మనము ఓల్డ్ ఏజ్ అయినా కూడా మనకి అన్ని పార్ట్స్ పని చేస్తుంటేనే వి విల్ బి ఇండిపెండెంట్. ఎవరి మీద డిపెండ్ అవ్వకూడదు. టిల్ ద లాస్ట్ డే
Okay, ma'am.
all the organs has to function, and so
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So how I go with this, I connect to the higher source, whoever we like, and imagining doing the bhavana that I am taking this energy from him. I go with the first line. Om Ayurdhehi. Help for the whole body. Then I place my palms on my chest for my heart,
Okay,
for my
ma'am.
circulation, for my respiration. Om Anandhehi. Next, I place my palms on the lower abdomen, below the navel. Help for
Okay.
the reproductive organs, the excretory system, the digestive system, all that important organs that are situated here in the middle of the abdomen. Om Apanandhehi. The next one is Vyanam. Vyanam is that pervades in the limbs, it circulates in the body. They say that Vyanam is little outside the body also. So we gather Vyanam from outside and then we run our palms through the hands and the legs also. Om Vyanandhehi. Next for the eyes.
Okay, ma'am.
Om Chakshurdhehi. Om Throtrandhehi. So whatever your eyes see, whatever your ears hear,
Whatever.
that is processed by the mind. So if you look at a
Okay.
person who is stealing something or doing wrong, what you will say to the mouth? This idiot or something. This guy is doing a wrong thing. but the same eyes and ears see a good deed, they'll say, wow. So whatever you hear or see is processed here and it comes out in the mouth. So next we'll energize the mind, pray for a healthy,
Mm-hmm.
positive mind.
Mm-hmm.
Om Mano Dhehi. Om Vachandhehi. Then we place the palms on the floor, and being grounded in life is very, very important. విడిసి పడకూడదు లైఫ్లో ఏదైనా బాగుందన్నప్పుడు చాలా నేనే చేశాను ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ ఐ డిడ్ ఇట్ అనుకోకూడదు ఎవ్రీథింగ్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ గివెన్ టు అస్ బై ద హయ్యర్ సోర్స్ సో గ్రౌండెడ్గా ఉండాలి ఎగిరి ఎగిరి పడకూడదు అంటే దానికి ఫర్ దాట్ వీ ప్లేస్ ద హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ ద ఫ్లోర్ ఓం ప్రతిష్టాంధేహి next we pray for a pure soul om atmanandhehi om mam dhehi om mai dhehi. So Mam Dehi is, if we look at women, since I work with lot of women and give an example of women, we play the role of a mother, a wife, a sister, a daughter-in-law, a co-sister. We are lost in so many roles that we forget our true identity and we
Yeah.
forget who we are, what is the purpose. So Mam Dehi is, please give me to myself. Let me
Okay,
be
okay, okay, ma'am.
myself. And Mai Dehi is anything we want to achieve in life, Jyoti. Always there should be support of some energy. I'm not even asking you to look at any form or any particular name of the God. There is an energy that is constantly taking care of all of us. So we are asking that power to give us all of this, whether the health, mental happiness, the way I speak, everything. I'm asking the Ishvara to give it to me. Ishvara means highest knowledge. It's not Shiva or anything, highest knowledge. So that was an example of the healing chant that we do. So it feels so nice, no, placing your hands on different
Yeah,
parts of
ma'am.
the body and giving energy to them. So that's how healing chants work.
Very much. Thank you very much, ma'am. It was wonderful, ma'am. When you're telling, I can feel that positive energy. Though I was just listening you and I was not following you now immediately. But whoever is doing this is they are going to get all the healing. So if you want to, watch this show, you can watch after this. It will be posted in my page and ma'am's page also. So anybody can just revisit and do this chanting. It is very peaceful, especially when this pandemic time and a lot of negativity is around us. Rajeshwari ma'am has given a wonderful, chanting for the entire body, and she's also given us a couple of breathing exercises, which if we could do regularly, it will help to cleanse our lungs. Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am, for coming to the show, and you've answered couple of questions, ma'am. ఇంకా చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీరు షో తర్వాత అది కొంచెం వాళ్ళకి ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వండి మ్యామ్ సో దే విల్ ఆల్సో బీ హ్యాపీ మ్యామ్ సో you have given us superb thoughts ma'am wonderful having you in my show ma'am and ma'am if anybody if you want anybody to please do more such kind of chanting if you want to if you have any other depression stress and anything you can contact ma'am directly. I will pin her details, her Amrita Varshini, it's in Srinagar Colony. She's also conducting now classes online also. So all the details I will put under this live show. So you can actually go and contact her. She will give a lot of healing because she's a yoga therapist. So since she's a yoga therapist, she'll be able to deal with all your chronic diseases like what we discussed till now. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. I'm so happy that I was able to get you today, and I'm very, very happy, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Jyoti. It was also very nice for me to be a part of this. Like gratitude for bringing me as a
Thank you, ma'am.
guest.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jyoti. Wish you all the
Have
best for your
wonderful.
further work.
Thank you,
Thanks,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thanks for blessing, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you so much.